Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have the 2020 spooky box to open from the Fat Quarter Shop. Very happy to open this. Halloween is my favorite time of year, mainly because, well, first of all, it's Halloween. I mean, you know, just right there. But this is like the start, like the very start of the holiday season that goes all the way straight through to, I mean, who are we kidding? Valentine's Day, Easter. It starts and then it just keeps going, and I love it. And so I am ready to open it. I've cut the tape, so let's pop it open. Okay. So we have our card that tells us everything that's inside. We have a couple of coupons with some codes, and that's awesome. Okay, so, oh my gosh, I'm actually loving what I'm seeing so far. All right, so we have these lovely little snips, and they are black. I don't know if you can tell, but they are a cute little black pair of scissors. They're 4 inches long. Matte black stainless steel creepy thread scissors, and they're called Black Magic. I love them. I don't think you could possibly have enough little snips. I really don't. I keep them all over the place, and a little black pair, very welcome addition. Very happy with that. Okay, I am totally squeeing over this. This is the, I'm just gonna pull it out of the things. It's coming right out anyway. It's called The Tale of Terror. It's a spooky cat hanger. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. So it looks like you could, according to right here, you could hang it off of your sewing machine and like put your scissors or something right there to keep them handy. I love that. Oh my goodness. Will stick to hard surfaces on most sewing machines, tables, and computer monitors. Connects to the surface with adhesive tape. I don't know about the tape thing. You know what I might try? Instead of putting the tape, I'll get one of those command, just get the strip. You know how you get a whole bunch of extra strips, and just put that on your machine and then press this down on top. I don't see why that wouldn't work. I'm gonna have to give that a go. I'll let y'all know. Because I don't like tape and stuff like that on my machine. I do put stickers on, but those are like something that I know I'm not gonna want to take off, because those are just, I just know about that. But like sticking like things, I just don't like doing that. I'm gonna try that command stuff though. I'm gonna let y'all know, because it holds really strong. I don't see why it wouldn't work. All right, I'm gonna try that. And it pops right off, so I'm happy with that. Oh my gosh, I love that little cat. That is so cute. Okay, we have a Fiskars acrylic ruler, 4.5 inches square, with a highlighted seam allowance. That looks like 1/2 inch though. 1/2 inch is not a seam allowance. Well, I mean, not usually. Unless you're making bags or something. Okay, I'm kind of a ruler snob. Listen, I'd be the first one to admit it. I am Creative Grids all the way, but this one is by Fiskars, and I will just give it to somebody who will love it. Absolutely nothing wrong with getting rulers. I just have a preference, that's all. So nice 4.5 inch square ruler. Okay, I'm really excited about, you guys, I have to tell you, I'm going to tell you a little something in a minute here. Oh my goodness. Okay, now this is adorable. The pattern is called Cat-O-Lantern. And look at him. Isn't he cute? Okay, ingredients for a spooky quilt like ours. You'll need Cat-O-Lantern half-yard bundle, which they put together. And you guys, we've gotten is it Ghouls and Goodies? I think it's Ghouls and Goodies. And we've gotten like so much of it. It's Stacy S2. And okay, so they did give us the half-yard bundle. I will show you that. And the other stuff you will need to complete this is half a yard of fabric for binding and 1 1/8 yard for backing. Okay, I just want to take a quick peek. Really, I just want to. Oh, okay. They give you a cutting diagram, which is really nice. I'm not 100% sure, but I think Fort Worth Fabric Studio was the first to do that. At least the first I saw, to start doing that. I really like it. So hopefully everybody will start jumping in on that, because I think it's kind of cool. Oh, and then there's like a little space that says notes and things I learned making this quilt. That's interesting. Okay, it's a cute little booklet. I love this little quilt. And the funny thing is, wait till y'all see. Oh, I think this might be for the backing. Because, okay, so we have this, which is the half yard bundle, the special bundle of Ghouls and Goodies. And y'all, I already have so much of this, it's not even funny. So I definitely have enough for my binding and my backing. Oh, okay. Hold up. I get it. This is all, okay, so they gave us 3 pieces of the Ghouls and Goodies, which is the orange, the trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat, and the little pumpkins with the kitty cats next to it. And then they gave us, sorry, Jellybean just kind of got me in the leg. And then gave us this piece of, it's a half yard cut of some black fabric, and it looks, but it's not solid black. It looks like grunge, sort of. It is grunge. I don't know. I mean, it's obviously a variation on black. It's black grunge. Y'all see that? Okay. And y'all, the inside of the box. That's cute. Did y'all see that? Did I put that up way too fast? There's like little spiders in there. Okay. Okay, so that's the box. And honestly, guys, I'm very happy with it. Probably this is like the only thing that I'll be giving away, but I give away a lot of things, mainly because I'll have, like, you know, duplicates of stuff and, you know, whatever. So cute pattern, cute fabric, obviously, because I've already bought a whole bunch of it, so I loved it. Can't wait to see if my little thing is gonna work to put this. I have to put this up. I think it's cute. Anyway, so leave some comments down below. Let me know what y'all think. I know I'm a little bit late, so sorry, guys. But better late than never. And I think it's a great box. Let me know what you think. Mwah.